Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, privacy glass, rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.